Hi, welcome my friend. AZDOME M550 dashcam 3-channel built-in Wi-Fi GPS with 64 GB card front, inside and rear. 1440 pixel plus 1080 pixel plus 1080 pixel card dashboard camera recorder. 4K plus 1080 pixel dual 3.19-inch IPS IR night vision capacitor parking mode. Drive safe with the new Wi-Fi GPS enabled AZDOME 3-channel dashcam front, in-cab and rear camera in your car. Simple installation with magnet mount. The AZDOME M550 dashcam is easy to install. Just easily attach dashcam to the windshield with a magnet sticky mount. Connect the car charger with camera, then hide extra cable into the interior panel by tray tool we provided. Note, requires continuous power and AZDOME 3 lead mini USB hardware kit, not included in the package. To get the product, you can click on the link below the video. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and activate the notification button. Thank you.